Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. It'll be a quick one. Today we'll be answering one of your questions: how to add departments to your agents using data sources. If you're unsure what data sources are, please check out our previous tutorial on web search and data sources. Now, where do we start? We'll be using the data source that we created last time. So, go to the data source section and select the one you want to edit. I copied these two numbers and addresses for the Moog Museum and headquarters. I got these from their website. By the way, take a look at this demo data. It's a mess, completely unstructured, and I would certainly not recommend this as best practice. But it does serve as a testament to the intelligence of the AI powering our system. Anyways, back to the video. And once you've applied all your new info into the data source, hit save. Now that you've got this new information in your data source, all you have to do is let your agent know how to access this new info. So head on over to the prompt section, select the prompt associated with your agent. For mine, it would be the Moog support agent. Now we want to edit the prompt. And in the data source sentence, add department information like address and phone number. Now your agent will use these instructions to search your data source, including the new department info. Once that's all looking nice and dandy, hit save. So by now you all know how this goes. We need to do some testing. Go to the agent section and select your agent. Start session. I'll inquire about the phone number for the Moog Museum. Let's see how the agent responds. Alright, nice. It came back with the correct phone number. Now you might be wondering, how can the agent transfer the user? Well, easy peasy. Go back to the prompt section and select your desired prompt. Under Tools, add the Transfer tool. Then make sure to update your prompt by writing, "To transfer the caller, use the Transfer tool." When writing these instructions in the prompt, just pretend like you're speaking to a human. The AI is smart. It'll know what you mean. It should know what you mean. Now, with all that done, hit save. And then let's test it out one more time. This time with the Transfer tool. So go back to your agent, start the session, and inquire about being transferred to a different department. And look, you can see here that the agent used both tools correctly. We got the phone number from the data source search, and the transfer was successfully filled out. Pretty cool and pretty easy to do, right? We hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave us a like, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Build AI agents for every idea.